Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture set honest review. As you can see, we're on the Amazon page and it has 6 ratings, which is just 1 star, and that is not good. So the issue with this thing is that they're showing that it is very good quality and it's going to give you a very nice texture or quality, but in reality they are really poor built. Like, for this price you might think, oh, this is so good, but honestly the problem with that is that this is honestly plastic made. The build is not that great. I've seen people say that it's basically a scam, so I would suggest you to not go for it, because I've not seen any proper dentist recommend it. If you really need a set, I would recommend that you ask your dentist, local dentist, or whoever you're consulting to give you guys a proper denture set and buy that one instead of just seeing one on the internet like this one. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.